Hi everyone, so today we are back with another unboxing video. This time we have the Twice Yes or Yes album. Great, so I just collected this album and there are PO benefits with posters, but we're not gonna be opening the posters because it's too big and I can't fit into the screen. So yes, alright, I have all three versions, so let's go ahead and unbox it. But first, we're gonna look at the PO benefits. Alright. First version, second version, third version. I'm not sure how the version works, but yeah, cool. Okay, let's start with the white version. Alright. These are the same version. Okay, so yes, let's take a look. Whoops. Ooh, we have Nayeon there and Jonghyun. We have Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Dahyun, Chaeyoung, Ziyu, and we have a group card. Then we have this, the next one. Nayeon, Jonghyun, Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Dahyun, Chaeyoung, Ziyu, and we have a group one. Okay, the last PO benefit set. We have Nayeon. Sorry, it's a mess. Jonghyun, Momo, Sana, Jihyo, Mina, Dahyun, Chaeyoung, and Ziyu. Then we have the group photo. Let's start with this version. Okay, I hope I get the photo cards that I want. I'm trying to get all Momo photo cards, but I'm okay with anything, so just give me like a few Momo and I'll be happy. Or I mean Jonghyun, I don't mind Jonghyun either. It's so big it's big and it's so nice. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh wait, where's the CD? Oh, I got a CD. It's Sana. Yeah, boy. Okay, we'll find the all the. Oh my god, it's here. It's all here. Ah. Okay, this is like the bookmark thing. It's the Maknae line. We have Dahyun, Chaeyoung, and Ziyu. Oh my god, it's damn nice. Ah. Okay, let's take a look at the first card. Dahyun! Yes! Okay, the next one, we have, yes, Dahyun. We have two Dahyun. Jihyo! Momo. Jonghyun! Oh my god, she's so pretty! Ah! Okay, this is, I saw, it's Nayeon. Yeah! Okay, it's not bad, It's good. Oh, it's good. I want to see if there's any more. I doubt so lah, but let's check. Okay lah, no more already. Okay, we look at the pictures later. So okay, we move on to the next album. My Summer Nights album, like I got so many Momo photo cards. I'm not even joking. I was so bloody happy. But yeah, this time I bought like only 3 lah. That time I bought like quite a few, so I managed to get a lot of Momo photo cards. Okay, so it's already falling out, but let's see. Yay, I got Nayeon CD. She's so pretty. Okay. I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna feel and take it out. Alright. Let's see. No, Momo is here. Momo is here. Look at it, look at it. It's Momo, Jonghyun, and Nayeon. We have the only line. Now for the photo cards. This is nerve-wracking. Alright. We have Jonghyun. Yes. Then next. Jihyo. I feel I have no luck with Momo this time. I don't know why, but yeah. No, it's Momo. Oh my god. Momo. Oh my god, this is damn nice. Momo, please. Ziyu. Nice, great. Okay, this is good. It's going well. It's good. All is good, boys. Alright, let's move on to the next, the last version is this version. I like this. It's really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, I can't open this. I want a Momo CD plate, please. I just don't want any duplicates, cause yeah. Okay. Oh no way. I swear this is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, I hope. Yes, it's another. I want to trade this off to the one with Mina, Sana, and Jihyo. So yes, so I get like a full member set kind of thing. Yeah, let's take a look. I'm not looking. I'm just flipping where you guys can see. So don't tell me anything. All right, 1, 2, 3. Nayeon. Wait, do I have this? I feel like I have this. Oh, I have it. It's the same one. What the hell? Okay. Might trade this off with someone to get like the members that I don't have Sana yet, I don't have Mina, I don't have Cheong. Oh my god, it's Ziyu. She's damn pretty. Dahyun, yes. I have a lot of Dahyun this time. What the heck is this? I have no idea whose card is this, but we'll take a look. I've seen this on the thing. Sana! I don't have Mina. What? Do I have Cheong? I'm not sure if I Cheong. Nope. No Cheong this time. So I'm gonna trade for Cheong and Mina. I can get Momo either. I'm fine. So yes.